Hello guys, today in this video we are going to talk about how to cancel your failed Majestic subscription. Okay, so first of all I want to tell you you can cancel your subscription very easily, but you need to provide at least 48 hours notice period. Okay, if you are not going to provide you 48 hours of notice period, then they are going to charge on your account. You need to cancel your subscription or membership at least 48 hours of your next billing cycle. Okay, so first of all I want to tell you, if you are a Android user, you need to open your Play Store. You need to tap on your profile icon, then you need to select payment and subscription. Now you need to select subscription, then you need to select your app like failed app, and then you can follow on screen instructions and you can cancel it very easily. If you are using failed, we can say like on your iPhone device, you need to open your iPhone settings, you need to select Apple ID, then you need to select subscription. Now you need to select your options you need to select your app from the available options, then you can follow on screen instructions, and by using this way you can easily cancel your failed subscription or Majestic membership. Okay, so if you are facing any issue, you can make a comment. I will reply very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.